Hello student, today we start experiment number 2. Experiment number 2 title is design and implement given 4 variable function using IC 74LS153 and verify its truth table. I repeat again, design and implement the given function 4 variable function using IC 74LS153 verify its truth table. Function is ABCD summation of m 2 3 5 7 8 9 12 13 14 15. These are the function given. If you observe the IC structure pin diagram of 74LS153, it is nothing but dual 4:1 must exist, means in one IC 4:1 4:1, like there are two 4:1 are exist. Okay, and here if you observe 4 variables, means up to the maximum is the 15 numbers. So here we require the additional, means designing table we have to create. Okay, see how it will be work now. So learning objectives: to understand, identify, design combinational circuit using the MUX, to implement and verify combinational logic circuit using MUX. Equipment required is the plus 5 volt 2 ampere DC power supply, breadboard, LED bank, connecting wires, ICs 15304 and 32. Okay, so we'll see how the 4 variable function will design. So procedure for implementation of this practical: first you design the design table. Okay, this IC01, IC1, IC2, IC3, these are the input of first MUX. 2C0, 2C1, 2C2 and 2C3, these are the input of second MUX. Okay, and for the 02, 01 to, like these are the 7, and afterwards it is 15. We can in the first part of the experiment we are implemented or verify the truth table. In that 4:1 means it having the 2 select lines, right? And we can create the third select line by inserting the strobe inputs between the two 4:1 MUX. Okay, and the third select line we have to create. But here is the 4 variables, so obviously it is a 4 variables, means we require the 4 select lines. And as per the availability of the IC, we are having the only 2 select line. Third we can create it by using the inverter in between the 2 strobe line. Now for the fourth select line, how we can create? These are the important tasks for performing this practical. See, now we can assume A is the first select line, B is the second, C is the third, and fourth is D. Okay, so we writing the such type of inputs of the MUX, right? Then we can construct the table. Okay, 0 to 7, then 8 to 15, means all variable will be covered. Then mark here D, and here is D bar, D and D bar. Afterwards, see in the functions, what is the function is given, that a summation of m. Okay, that respect to 2, 3, 5, 7, these numbers are exist, encircle number. Okay, so we mark respective numbers. Okay, we encircle those numbers are present in that 4 variable function. We can encircle it, right? After encircling, we can see if the single encircle in the first column, suppose the first column, if only one circle is here. Okay, so what we have to do, respect to rows, what is the written? D, so we can write here D. Okay, same way here only one circle. Okay, so we can write the D. Here is the above circle. In that time, what is your row written? D bar, so we can write the D bar. Same way D bar, here is D, both are encircle. In that case we can mark 1. In that case you can mark 1. Okay, then here is again D, both are 1, means no circle. For example, here is not, if both are circle are missing, in that case you can mark the 0. Its meaning is that this respective input line of the MUX is connected to the D. This respective input line connected to D. This one is connected to D bar. This one means VCC, and if the 0 will become, in that time we have to connect it to the ground. These are the rules for designing table. Designing table. Now we'll see the truth table. Okay, so for the 4 variable truth table, if you observe the truth table, it again we have to construct the table 0 0 0 0 all zeros to up to we can say that 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, I will show you how where you can mark on and where we can mark other. Okay, after observing the truth table we see that 0 0 1 0 means 2. Okay, this 2 is encircle, means that exit in your function, right? So we can write in the on. 3 is again exist, right? So we can mark on, means one line you can call as those numbers exit in your function corresponding respect to select input, we can mark as a on. See 2 3, okay, like this one, the 5, then 7 8 9 12 13 14 15, last one is 15 is again on. Okay, so respect to location we can mark as a on. Now our task is to see how we can verify the truth table of by using the logic diagram. Okay, see the logic diagram. Okay, so I see 74LS 153. Okay, these are first mux, second mux. Okay, multiplexer. So that notation 1C0 1C2. Okay, where we connect, that will be decided by our designing table. Okay, so as per the designing table 1C0, this wire we have to connect it to D input, right? So before that we can see the select inputs. Okay, these are the select lines. So A, this is your B, right? AB, the same line I have extracted. Now C we can create it by adding the inverter between the two strobe of first one and strobe of second, strobe input of first and strobe input of second. In between I have added the inverter. Okay, so combination of this means what are the inputs of the first strobe. Okay, here we can call as it is a C. Okay, and inverter you can add it in this way and it will be work as a T, because what happen if one time one mux will be active at one time. Okay, then after the C we have to create a D, so D is required. Okay, so D is nothing but D and D bar, so we can take another inverter. Okay, 3 input and 4 input of that inverter IC 7404, and this one act as D. Now input of another inverter act as D. Then we can make the connection like this one, the 6 line we connected to the means 1C0 connected to D, 1C1 line connected to D, like this one we have to make the connection. Okay, so again 2C1 and 2C3 connected to the VCC, that's why these two lines are connected to the VCC. Okay, so as per the designing table, these all lines of mux we can connect either D bar 1 or ground. I repeat again, D bar, VCC, 1 means VCC, 0 means ground. Okay, in our logic there is a no ground, so that's why what are the VCC we are connected to, 1 means VCC we have to connect it. Okay, so like these are the diagram we have to pay, and both mux inputs we can call it that 4:1 mux, 4:1 mux. The first mux output is 7, second mux output is 9. These both inputs these act as both input for the OR gate, both act as a input of a OR gate. Like this one, the 1 is connected and 2 is connected, and we can see the respective output, and we can connect LED across the pin number 3 of 74LS32. Okay, 32 means OR gate. Here we can connect the LED positive and negative connected to ground. Okay, so in this way we can make this is called as logic diagram of 4 variable using the IC74LS. Expected is what students should draw this diagram. That's why expectation is what we have to design this one by referring the data sheet. Okay, I already told you for each experiment students should download the data sheet, and referring the data sheet students should draw the logic diagram. Okay, fine. Now we will see the implementation of the diagram. See now I have used the 74LS15304 and 32, right? Output pin 3 number, see 1 2 and 3, this 3 is connected to your LED bank, this LED. Okay, this is connected to ground. Okay, and as per our select input 2 pin number, 14 pin number, as well as the 1 number is C and D is 3 number of. So we extract the 4, all 4 is connected to the ground then initially, then it is 0. Okay, but if you want to see how the LED will be glow, okay, at that time we require to set the value, those are present in the function. I will show you. See, this LED will be glow because we are setting the value of respective inputs of select input A, B and C is 0 0 1 0, means value of A is 0, B is 1, C is 0 and D is 0. In that case your LED will be glow. Now see, your LED will be glow. Okay, thank you. See, 0 0 1 0. Okay, again if you make the select lines 0 0 1 1, at that time LED will be glow. Okay, so in this way we can verify the truth table, and we can implement, or we can say that we can design 4 variable respect to 4 variable functions, right? But in that mux available is 4:1 4:1, and still we are designing the, or still we are implementing the 4:1 4 variable functions. 4 variable function. Thank you, hope you understood. Okay, thank you.